Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel Toiletterian. I review fragrances that usually on the radar, not many people mention them. I think they are good value for money. They smell fantastic. At least you should go do your research and see if they're any good to you. Today I have Lattafa Maahir Black Edition. So this is the first impression. It's not unboxing because for some reason when I bought this it came without the cellophane, and actually the box was a bit funny. So this is the first sniff. I'm sniffing it with you, so I don't know anything about the smell, and I haven't seen any reviews because I don't want to be influenced by those reviews. So I just want to see how it smells and my first reaction and my interpretation of the fragrance. Okay, so without further ado, let's do this. And thank you very much for joining me. If you like my videos, if you find them useful, if you find them entertaining, if you find them informative, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos, and that would be very nice to support me to grow my channel. Thank you very much. Okay, so as you can see, the box is big as always. Lattafa Maahir are basically the high end of Lattafa. Majority of Lattafa fragrances are good packaging and good bottles anyway, but with this Maahir and some of their higher end edition, you get better packaging, better bottles. As you can see, it's very pretty and it opens up like this. And as you can see, the bottle is gorgeous, is exact same as the Maahir original, but in a black, matte black. It actually looks very pretty. It looks very appealing. It looks very bad boy. It looks very gothic, and it looks like it's going to hurt somebody. Okay, so I love the bottle. I like the packaging. The bottles are very heavy. The cap is super heavy. The cap is like half a kilo itself. It's metal and it's very heavy. And let's see the sprayer. Very good sprayer. Fantastic. Very good distribution, and it gives you a right amount. Not too much, not too little. Very good in terms of the presentation, in terms of box, in terms of bottle, and in terms of the sprayer. Fantastic. So how does it smell? Let's go. Wow, I can smell it so strong. Smoky. So this is, as the bottle and the packaging represent, is very dark. So it's very smoky. It's heavy on the smoke. Wow, it's super smoky and it's boozy. It's like some sort of, I don't know, rum or maybe brandy, some sort of booze in there. Okay, so it's very smoky, it's very boozy. Ooh, and it's very leathery. The leather is very dark in here. It's very dark and it's deep dark leather. It's very, not very, but quite animalic. Okay. I get a little bit of smell of vegetation, maybe a little bit of marijuana or pot, smell of pot, a little bit, not much. Yeah, smell of pot a little bit. It's like marijuana. My goodness, this is big. So first thing first, at least for first impression, it's huge, it's massive. I put 3, and even the 3 is basically filling the room now. So few things to take away from this first impression. First of all, is heavy on the smoke. It's very smoky. It's actually smoky. It's dusty. It's like a campfire. It's like it's a little bit of rubber smell to it as well. Black rubber. Leathery. Leather is very not very, but animalic leather, and it's like uncured leather. and it's smoky like a cigar. It's like a cigar smoke, and it's like an ash smoke, and it's a little bit of rubber smell as well to it. Oh my goodness, this is huge, this is big, but this is a huge but. The huge but is, this is not for everybody. First of all, it's very, very mature. So on the nose, it's very mature. I would say 25 and up to be on the safe side. Second, this is not for everybody. This is for people who like the smoky, unusual, earthy, leathery, boozy, and ashy, and cigar-like smoke. Wow, it's like a nice mature person wearing a nice black suit, sitting down with a Cuban cigar and drinking either brandy or rum or maybe whiskey. Okay, so this is what I'm getting, the impression I'm getting. Yeah, so smoky, it's a big on the smoke, at least this is for first impression in the beginning. Big on the smoke, big on the leather, big on the booze, smoky, ashy, earthy, leathery, and very dark. So this is the first impression. So the representation of Maahir Black is quite accurate. It is very dark, it's quite black. It's a little bit of sweetness to it, so I'm getting some dark fruits in the background. It's not too sweet. Overall, it's not a sweet fragrance. I would say in terms of sweetness, 1 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, this is around 4 for a sweetness, okay? 4 of a scale of sweetness. Yeah, I'm getting all sort of that boozy, smoky, cigary, leathery, ashy, marijuana, little bit of burnt wood. It's like a campfire wood, but the campfire wood is being put out, and basically just put out, and those smoke is coming up. Wow, it's very, very complex. It's quite a complex fragrance, but as I said, this is not for everybody, and it's definitely mature, and it's definitely for cooler weather, because this is very heavy on the smoke, heavy on the leather, heavy on the booze. So it's very, very cool weather like fragrance. If you're like me, you like to wear fragrances anytime, anywhere, that's different. But recommendation is for cooler weather, and other recommendation is this is 25 and up, at least for the first impression, at least for the beginning. So it's giving me this mature person sitting in a nice leather seat, with a black tie and suit, smoking a Cuban cigar, and that Cuban cigar is quite ashy, and is quite it gives that sweet resins smell as well, and the leather chair smells you know, quite a new leather seat, and it gives that smell as well, the leather. And overall, this is deep, dark, smoky, ashy, leathery, woody, and boozy fragrance, at least for the first impression. Okay guys, I will make another video in a few days time to give you the update on the performance, but right now it's filling the room, so it looks like it's going to be a big performer as well. I'll give you the update, how it goes, what's the changes. Right now, not much change. So the big players are still there: ash, smoke, leather, booze, dust, little bit of dustiness, cigar, rum or brandy or whiskey, boozy smell, very, very strong boozy smell into it. Okay guys, so I hope that was informative, I hope that was entertaining. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos. As I said, I'll give you the update in a few days time, how it goes, how is the performance, and all good things. Oh, by the way, this is under £30. I will leave in the description where you can find it for the cheapest, hopefully, but I'm not affiliated, don't get anything out of it, just bring these things to your attention. bring these things to you for convenience. Okay, thank you very much guys, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.